How to remove a friend from Snapchat without letting them know. So we have all this. You want to remove someone from your Snapchat, but you don't want to make it obvious or cause drama, whether it's an ex or an old friend or just someone you no longer interact with. There is a subtitle way to do it without them finding out. Here is how. You open your Snapchat, swipe to chat setting, tap and hold the friend's name, select manage friend, tap remove friend. You see, they won't be notified. If you find this video interesting, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the YouTube channel.